Japan's northernmost island is home to some of its most arresting beauty. Hokkaido in winter is a snow-clad wonderland, complete with reindeer and, less of a fit for the picture postcard, a controversial nuclear research facility. Inside, we take the lift with staff of Japan's Atomic Energy Agency to their office, hundreds of meters below the surface. The complex of tunnels contains sensors monitoring the geology and water, as Japan races to find somewhere to put its stockpile of highly radioactive waste.
Regardless of the eventual energy policy, we already have spent fuel and it needs to be safely isolated. And that's why this work is necessary.
Japan has more than 1,600 canisters of lethal high-level waste like this model in temporary storage, along with 17,000 tons of spent nuclear fuel. And with Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's drive to restart the first of the country's 48 idled reactors, that amount will only grow. The fear for some in Horonobe is that despite a treaty banning the use or storage of radioactive material here, the need will simply become too pressing. The government has called off a decade-long wait for a town to volunteer as a permanent site and will now try selection and financial persuasion instead. Horonobe meets many pre-existing criteria.
The area is suitable for as a final disposal site, even though they haven't decided that kind of in the future.
But others argue nowhere beneath this seismically active chain of islands can be ruled suitable or indeed safe for the next 100,000 years. 2014 marks an important year in the life of this facility, where they go from testing the geology of the rocks around here to testing methods of storing highly radioactive waste. But in terms of the excavation, they're already 4 years behind schedule, and that's causing some concern. Those who oppose this area becoming a permanent disposal site worry that the longer the work goes on, the likelier it is it'll be picked. Dairy farmer and councillor Satoshi Sumi says previous problems at the site have been minimized and that the system that created the Fukushima disaster can't be trusted.
Japan's nuclear policy is not democratic. It's all settled with money. If democratic procedures are taken and we lose anyway, we'll understand. But in Japan, the government is deceitful and underhand.
Japan is running out of time to deal with its nuclear waste problem. The government may feel that beneath the beauty in the remote north lies the solution. Harry Fawcett, Al Jazeera, Horonobe, Japan.